Any fish and suck out all the eyeball, that make your back strong up, you know. Alright. Wagwan. And the day after the mukbang, just watch his steam fish and all these sitting. Jesus. Bless you, Jesus. You are going a lemon flavored beer. It's like a lemonade for this one.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
So you don't know the COVID-19 situation is. We're just at home. It's a completely 3-week quarantine so far. Remove this, see, everything just move apart so easy. One thing I have nothing to clean up my hand. So this is like steam fish for me, you know. And if you only saw the mukbang, just know I just made a video on this. So check out that recipe above, you know what I say? Skin like mine. Perfectly cooked. Let me show you, I can give you show you what I want. Nice, fleshy, beautifully seasoned. Wait. This it's refreshing. Filling. We have the well, give me. That tastes of coconut. See, this is bursting with flavor right now. Right now, I cook this with some coconut oil to cook down the color. And put see the crunch? You see the crunch? Yeah, it's real. One thing I like with them fish though, bone them long. What have you been doing in the quarantine? I hope that you've been obedient and I stay home. You get where I come from? Because think about it this way. It's a pandemic, right? So if I'm telling you, so we know it used to be there, my baby between them. They say that the time is healthy. If somebody in the comment want to think about that, leave it below. Just be safe. Don't be selfish. Think about it this way. A lot of people are saying conspiracy theory and they're trying to do population control. We get that, but guess what? We get that you're saying that and that can be a part of this issue. But here you are, man. If they are giving us measures as to how to protect ourselves, why be out there in the open and then contain the cycle of the sickness, whereas when you can stay home and minimize it so you can get back to your regular life quicker. But the more you're out there, the cycle will continue. Can you imagine they open up the whole world tomorrow? People are going to get sick. Can go to people. But if everybody was to just be obedient and stay, boom, 14 days, let's say 3 weeks at maximum, you would stand a great chance of defeating this once and for all. But no, but there are some people like myself who are obedient and others who decide to say, yo, you're not my parents, you can't tell me nothing. Even though you tell them, say, yo, your life depends on the type of thing. But, that little boner. What confuses me is, you hear so much people cry, oh, I want a day off from work. I just want to relax home. I don't like people, I don't want to go out. I want my friends to have a conversation. And it seems that people who say they don't like people, they don't like go out. They're balling right now. And outside, I kill up themselves mixed with other people. So this is basically what it is, they want to socialize, but most people are saying, oh, they don't like people, they're antisocial. But really and truly, you're sociable. Because why is it that you're still outside when a pandemic are going where life depends on your family and just the whole community at large. You see how this look refreshing? Oh God. Want to try this yet? The sour beer? No, the lemon beer. Try it out. Big up Red Stripe. This is not a sponsored video. I just enjoy Red Stripe flavored beer. And it tastes good. And if I go ask me how you can get it, I can the link will be in the description because a mom is sending them from Jamaica come to me. So I don't know what part of Canada they sell. But I guess you can check online and see. Done. Man. I feel like, you know, this Caesar coming right through. There's any kids out there watching it. Don't do a mukbang with fish here. Especially if it's your first time eating fish, because I tell you, the bones can be very tricky. Spice take time and kick in night, you know. All this You can't eat this
You have a head? Ew.
What happened to your head?
It's gross, bro.
They didn't tell you?
It's like eating a goat. You eating goat and then you're eating the head too and you see the nose and stuff. That's nasty. Boy,
But they tell you, say, no. I look for my man and my yard, man. But they tell you, any fish and suck out all the eyeball, that make your back strong up, you know. You see me? This coming like steamed fish, you know. And okra, you know. But to me, I have no crackers, not this coming on the crackers. I leave my crackers and my pumpkin for my steamed fish. And because of boom now, two me now plan to create no damage. Me now bust a magnum, me also skip it to the roast fish, you understand? But when I say steamed fish and magnum thing, and magnum not sponsoring me. It's just a drink I've been drinking ever since I've been drinking. So the past 12 years or 13 years, a magnum. But yeah, look at that. See bad part, huh? So yeah, about that. You can't say nasty food. Why? You gonna eat the rest of the fish. What about this nasty? Comment below and let me know. Oh, I fish I did brush in teeth, can I just kiss her? The head nice and juicy and a head full of flavor. Okay.
Daddy's eating the eyeballs. Daddy's eating the fish eyeballs, yeah?
Okay.
What time is it?
That get boxed down. Alright, my people. Now I'm gonna try to finish our black fish, which is not a lot that's left. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Beautiful. Oh my days. And that's, my friend, is what you call fruit of my labor. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor. Beautiful. God, thank you, God.